emotional, very ecstatic that we have started this. This is our first journey and we have made it thus far, and I'm really, really very pleased and very excited about it.
Honestly, I'm feeling extremely confident. One thing the Godfrey Stewart Choir has done throughout this competition is that they have been consistent. Every week we have been delivering tone, dynamics, balance, and blend. What more is there to say?
Well, my word of encouragement is continue doing what you have been doing, guys. You have been doing extremely well, and just take home the trophy to Westmoreland.
To play the game is great, to win the game is greater, but to love the game is the greatest of all.
My name is Jada Adiman, Public Relations Officer of the Godfrey Stewart High School Choir. The best part was being accepted to move on to top 3 because here at Godfrey Stewart, the students on the choir are dedicated, committed, and persistent in what they are doing.
My name is Carrie-Ann Murray, head of the Physical Education Department. How do I feel about the choir? I feel great knowing the fact that it's the first year they're entering the All Together Sing, and they are doing exceptionally well. I am excited of the fact that we're going to win. We're going to take this trophy home.